Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to add music to Facebook history. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app. Okay, click on create a history, then tap on plus icon and tap on text option. Okay, done, and tap on this option, music option. Just click and choose any music and search. Okay, search on Islamic and choose.
ونمد يد العون بحب لنخفف بعض الأثقال نتطوع لله بشوق.
Just tap on this option and choose any music. Just tap on music to add music to Facebook history. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.